Are you facing a white-collar crime charge? It's a daunting situation, but you're not alone. We're Watson & Associates LLC, a legal defense firm specializing in federal white-collar cases. We handle a diverse range of cases from embezzlement and bribery to intellectual property crimes and money laundering. But we're not just about the legal jargon, we're about the human connection. We're about standing by your side, navigating the complexities of the judicial system. You are not alone. We are here to help. Let's look at a real-life case that took place on December 4th, 2023. Three military contractors found themselves in the crosshairs of a procurement fraud scheme. Envistacom's former president, Alan Carson, was sentenced to 6 months in prison and 2 years of supervised release. He was also ordered to pay a hefty criminal fine of $250,000. Philip Flores, owner of another company, was sentenced to 4 months in prison, 2 years of supervised release, and a $50,000 fine. Valerie Hayes, the former vice president of Envistacom, received a sentence of 12 months of home confinement, 3 years of probation, and 100 hours of community service. This is a stark reminder of the serious repercussions that can unfold when white-collar crimes are committed. This could happen to anyone involved in a similar situation. Avoid making common mistakes in federal white-collar process. In the heat of the moment, it's easy to make errors that could jeopardize your case, particularly when under pressure from federal investigators. One of the most common mistakes? Speaking to these investigators without the presence of your counsel. Remember, everything you say can and will be used against you. It's crucial to have legal representation present to guide your responses and protect your rights. Another mistake is underestimating the seriousness of the situation. Even if you're not currently the target, new information could quickly change that. Therefore, it's crucial to take every stage of the process seriously. Lastly, never accept a plea bargain without first consulting your attorney. Plea bargains may seem like a quick way out, but they can often lead to unfavorable outcomes if not thoroughly analyzed. Don't fall prey to these common pitfalls. Ensure you're well prepared and legally protected throughout the federal white-collar process. There are effective defense strategies for white-collar crimes. In the complex world of white-collar crime, a well-crafted defense strategy can be the key to safeguarding your rights and reputation. Let's discuss some of the common defense tactics that seasoned attorneys use. Firstly, entrapment. This is when law enforcement induces a person to commit a crime that they would not have otherwise committed. If you were manipulated into committing the crime, it could be a valid defense. Secondly, lack of intent. Many white-collar crimes require a specific intent to commit the crime. If it can be demonstrated that you did not have this intent, it could potentially undermine the prosecution's case. Next, illegal search or seizure. If evidence was obtained illegally or without proper warrants, it may be possible to have it excluded from the proceedings. This could significantly weaken the prosecution's case against you. Intoxication is another defense. If you were intoxicated and unable to form the necessary intent to commit the crime, it may serve as a defense. Coercion and duress are also common defense strategies. If you were forced into committing the crime under threat of harm, it could potentially serve as a defense. Finally, insanity. This defense is rarely used, but in some cases it may be argued that the defendant was unable to understand the nature of their actions due to a mental disorder. Remember, every case is unique and requires a personalized defense strategy. A good defense strategy can make a world of difference in your case. Facing indictment or a criminal trial as a government contractor, it's a daunting prospect, no doubt. But remember, you're not alone in this. It's crucial to have a federal contracting attorney on your side, someone well-versed in the intricacies of white-collar crime law. Consider the potential penalties: victim restitution, steep fines, prison time, property forfeiture, probation, even community service. These aren't trivial matters. They can disrupt your life, your career, your reputation. But with a strong defense, you can navigate the storm. An experienced attorney will employ various defense strategies, from challenging the legality of searches to questioning the intent behind your actions. Don't underestimate the power of a comprehensive defense. It can make all the difference in your case. So what's your next move? Don't wait until it's too late. Take action now. Call Watson & Associates LLC at 1-866-601-5518 for your legal defense needs today.